Hello, welcome. I'm going to do some more of my 4th of July nails. I already tried these two. Now I'm going to dip these. I made these two dip powders. And I made this dip powder with glitter. So I'm going to try them and see how they go. First of all, I dip them in clear. One top coat of clear, or one coat of clear. And then dip them in this glitter creation that I made. Let's see how that looks. It's a mixture of all kinds of 4th of July vibes. Shake it off a little bit. Check it, make sure there's no white glitter, no white glue, anything wet on there. Nope, nice and dry, as you can see. Again, one more coat. And this is my creation that I made. I made this glitter creation, dip powder glitter creation. And I'm thinking of 4th of July vibes going on right now for the 4th of July. Okay. Then all I'm going to do is I'm going to add one more coat of clear. Go ahead and clear this one because it has glitter on it, so you want to clear it. You want to try and clear that way. The glitter doesn't come off when you file it. Okay. And just my brush. Just brush off the excess. Go. And number 3. Add this and wait a couple minutes. And then you can go ahead and file it down. And after I file it down, then I'll top coat it. And then I'll show you what it came out. Okay. I'm going to dip my nail into this. I made this one. This is one of my creations that I made with glitter and powder, dip powder. It's got a little bit of 4th of July vibe going with it. So, first, I would dip it in clear, Kiara Sky Clear Dip Powder. I just dip it once. I don't think it really needs that much when you're dipping it in the other one. I dip it one time, and then I dip it twice. 2 times I dip it into my glitter powder. Clean off my brush. Sometimes you get glitter on your brush and you don't want it to stay on there. So I just kind of wipe it down with something. Because if not, then this gets very hard. Okay, and now I'll dip it into my powder. Tap it. Tap off the excess powder. Dip it again. Wipe off my brush. dip it one last time. 2 times that I dipped it. Tap it off. Go ahead and clear it one more time, one last time. You gotta clear it because it has glitter. So you want to go ahead and dip it into clear powder again. And just clear it one last time. I dip it a couple of times like that because sometimes it stays wet. Shape it a little bit. There you go. There it is, dipped and clear. Then I get my Kiara Sky number 3, which is the Seal Protect, to seal in the glitter and the powder. You just wipe maybe 2 coats of this. You can put as much, you know, you don't have to too much, put just enough. And go ahead and let it dry for a couple minutes. And then I'll come back and I will, after I'll file it down, and then I'll add this top coat non-wipe. And then I will show you the results of that one. Okay, so this is my results from this one. This glitter creation I made. And I know you're supposed to top coat it with number 4 when you're doing dip, because it was a dip powder. But I like the results of this one, which is a non-wipe gel top coat. But I still use it, and it gives it a nice, look at that shiny finish. And this is what my 4th of July dip powder looks like. Nice and shiny. So that was that creation. And then here's this one. I did both of these 2. I made these ones myself. And then in my other video, I did these ones. I also made these glitter creations for 4th of July. This one. And this one. Look how beautiful this looks. Ooh wee. Love glitter. That's why they call me the glitter goddess. Look at that. Beautiful. I made these creations myself. And these were the results. What you think? Beautiful, huh? Nice and shiny. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.